Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make banana fritters. Let's get started. I am taking 100 grams of rice flour and adding 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of custard or corn flour. Then added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is optional. Now I will mix all ingredients well. After all ingredients mixed, then I am going to add ½ a cup of water. Add the water gradually while you mixing them. I am going to make little bit thick batter. While mixing, I added ½ tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I am going to prepare the banana. Make sure you take unripe banana. And you can take any type of banana for this. I am using bamboo sticks. This is only for easy serving. You can make banana fritters without using this. Then I am heating up oil in the medium flame. Now dip banana in the batter and add them to the oil for frying. Fry both the sides until color changes to golden brown. At this moment I would like to know from which country you are joining with us to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Now I am going to prepare chocolate sauce for the topping. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh milk to ½ a cup of chocolate chips and melt them using hot water. There are many ways you can do this. You can enjoy them with your favorite toppings, like whipped cream, ice cream, or your favorite sauce. Now our banana fritters are ready to serve. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. I hope you like the recipe. Tell if this is the first time you see my recipe. If so, don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.